going to show you now the 6 basic hairstyles there are. The first one is very short hair. And short hair is all hair that's shorter than the chin. And this one is short and layered. Although these hairs have all the same length, it still will create a layered look. So this would be short layered. Then the next one is medium long hair, which is the area between the chin and the shoulders. And I'm also doing a layered style. So here's the neck. And the third one is long hair layered, which means it goes past the shoulders. Those are the 3 layered versions. And then the next 3 ones are, again, short hair, but short hair that looks like one length. The hair that is short, maybe some bangs. It's a short haircut. It all comes together at the end in one length. The next one is medium, one length. And the 6th one is long hair, one length. And if you take a magazine or just look at people and look at all the hairstyles that you encounter throughout the day, you will see that every single person fits into one of those 6 categories. There's a 7th one, which is no hair at all. But short hair that is layered is basically most men's haircut. And this is very common, different layers up to the shoulders, long hair with different lengths, and then of course the 3 one-length versions. The reason why it looks like that, as if there are many, many more hairstyles, is that in addition to know these 6 variations come many different hair colors and textures, straight, wavy, curly, and very curly. So all this multiplies itself and creates so many hairstyles. Then you can have each of those 6 hairstyles with fringes or no fringes, with bangs or no bangs. And then from the side, you can have different angles. This can all be one length, or it's shorter in the front and longer in the back. There might be a gradation. Or you have the typical A-line haircut, where it is a tad longer in the front and the back is shorter. It goes down this way. So that's how it happens, that it looks like as if there are millions of different hairstyles. But try this exercise and categorize yourself and your friends and the people in your field into those 6 examples. People will tell you, I want my hair all one length. Now technically, this section, say that goes up to here, is one length, and the hair that grows out of this section of the head in the back is the same. So technically, these are the same length. But when a person says, I would like my hair cut all one length, what they mean is they want it visually one length, and that will look like this. This means that this hair that covers all the other hair is really much longer than the hair that grows, from the different sections of the head. And technically, this hair would be one length, and this looks like one length. Now I would like to share with you a secret about cutting curly hair. We have 4 different types of hair: straight, wavy, curly, and very curly. When you cut curly hair, I recommend not cutting what's called in the valley of the curl, which would be right here or right here, but to cut exactly where one curl ends and a new curl starts. And there is a reason to that. When one curl gets cut, this curl, and I'm now pretending that curls could speak, this curls and all the curls above it will say, oh, one curl is gone, there's a little less weight. We will continue to curl in the same shape, but just pop up a little bit. However, when you cut a curl right in here, there is this half curl left. And sometimes, and I've experienced it, and it wasn't really fun, neither for the client, for me, that this droops because these curls still want to stay in the same curl pattern. Or what happens is that it droops for just like a little bit, and then after a few days, all the curls have to start recurling themselves in a new pattern. So I recommend cutting right where one curl ends and a new one starts.